how to plant potatoes in a no-dig vegetable bed. It's pretty easy. You will need a small shovel, a garden shovel, of course. You will need your sheeted potatoes, and now we are in the 3rd week of March, so it's a bit too early to plant them out, but gardening, sometimes we need to take some risks, and that's what I will do for now. I will not plant out all of my potatoes. Normally I will plant them out towards the end of March, in the beginning of April, but like I mentioned, risk in our garden, sometimes we need to take it. And yeah, at the end of the video I will show you a manner to how to protect them. So, planting out our potatoes in a no-dig vegetable bed. So planting them out is quite easy. You will dig a hole, but not in the original soil, just in the compost layer. I will pull it back, and like I mentioned in a few videos earlier, make sure the sheets are facing up. So we will place the potato in it and cover up the soil. So I have spaced out the potatoes. Now we just need to put them in the ground. So I plant them at the depth of the shovel. And in a few minutes we have planted our potatoes in a no-dig vegetable bed. So now I will water it in. So we planted out our potatoes in our vegetable beds against 2 rows of garlic. Garlic is also a great companion for our potatoes, but because we have some night frost and morning frosts, I will need to put a fleece cover over it, and I will put it in the description. But I will cover it with a fleece cover to protect it, especially when they are growing. For now it's not necessary, but I will put the cover over it. So put our fleece cover over our vegetable bed. Our fleece cover, we will put it over our bed, and we will secure it the same way as our onion insect netting, and secure it with stones so it doesn't fly away with high winds or something else. But putting the fleece cover over it, easy. Of course I will not put it over our garlic because it can handle the temperature, the cold temperature, but our potatoes, they need protection because they can't handle the frost and they can have frost damage. So and I'm not sure if you can see it, but damage by birds, they will pull out everything. They are searching for food. I don't mind any birds in the garden because they are my little friends, my little helpers for pests, or in Flemish we say, in Dutch we say rups. So with our cover over the vegetable bed for our potatoes, we are already done with planting out our potatoes. So in the old ways, the traditional way, you will hill the potatoes and you will make some hills. In a no-dig vegetable bed, there is no need to do that. It's much easier, faster, higher yields and less work. And maybe a fun fact to know, this vegetable bed is growing potatoes now for the 5th year in a row. So this is the 5th year that I've planted potatoes in this vegetable bed. And I want to prove. My neighbor, de chef. Ah, het is in het Engels te doen, hè?
Oh, ja maar nee, hey, begin maar gewoon in het Vlaams. Zo zeg je.
An 80-year-old farmer, he's doing, he's growing vegetables in his garden, of course, but he's doing it the traditional way. And I just want to show no need to do crop rotation, especially if you work with compost. By the way, there is already quite a big difference in soil, and I will show you. So soil that every year gets turned, so he's turning his soil, and I call it sand. That isn't any soil. This is soil, in my opinion. So my soil and the neighbor's soil. So quite a difference in soil, if you ask me, but that's aside. We are done planting out our potatoes. So that's it for this episode. I will say happy gardening and see you in the next. Peace.